On this session, we are going to cover selection as a type for our product rules. Understanding the power of selection is very key. So, if a couple of situations that would warrant you to choose selection as a type is if you have a list of products and based off of certain rules from the business, you want to automatically select the product or you want to automatically remove a product from the configuration screen or hide products that are configured as a bundle. So hide some of those child products. You can also automatically add products to a quote based on uh, the based on the rules of the business. So in this example, what we're going to do is we're going to automatically add a processing fee whenever our premium bundle is selected and added to a quote. The reason why this might be useful is, let's say you don't want the sales reps to be boggled down with, oh, what fee should I add when I'm selecting things. I just want it to automatically appear on the quote. So going into our org, I've created a new product called processing fee. Please go ahead and create this new product. Remember, as always, you need to, create, some entries into the price book, giving it a standard price and giving it a wholesale price, and setting it as active. I've also given it a product code, which is also key. And then also I set it under the product family as miscellaneous for now. So in order to get started, we have to dive into our product rules. So I'm giving it a descriptive name again, so our admin knows exactly what this rule is doing. We're adding a processing fee when the premium bundle is added to a quote. Then we make it as active. This is our type. So here, like I mentioned, this is a selection type of product rule. So we'll click on selection. We want all of our conditions to be met. In this situation, we will only have one condition, and it's if the premium bundle is added to a quote. So we'll just click on all. Again, the scope is going to be quote because we want it to be added at the quote on the quote line editor screen. Okay. And for the evaluation event, we want to select always. We always want it to be added, and then we can give the evaluation in order. So this is our third rule, so we could just put in 30. Okay. So moving on, the next thing we need to take a look at our condition. When do we want it to fire? So this is our first condition for this rule. So we'll index it as 10. So for the tested object, we want to test, we have to think about this one. We need to think about what object do we need to look at to determine when this should fire. So if we've added a product to a quote, that means we need to look at the quote line because that product has now been, added to the quote line of the quote. So we need to look at the quote line object, determine if the product code equals value, and we need to add in our product code for our premium bundle product, right? Because that's the condition. If the premium bundle product is added, then something needs to happen. Okay. So let me open another tab and look for our bundle product and make sure that we have the right product code. So we're at our premium bundle, bento box bundle, and our product code is right here. Let's just copy it and paste it so that we know that there's no mistakes, and save. So we've set the condition. The condition is if a user adds the premium bundle to a quote, which will be the quote line. So now we need to tell it what to do. What is it supposed to do when this product is added? So clicking on the action, we'll click on new. Well, what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to add our new processing fee product. So this, under the type for this action is add. Okay, we're adding a product. So we can just search for our premium fee product here. You have to select it as required or else it won't run. Okay, so this product will be required. So let's click on save. Okay. All right, so now we can test it out going back to our quotes, always starting at the beginning when a new automation is put into place. So let's click on edit lines, add products. Let's clear our filters because we want to see the premium bundle. It's currently being filtered out because of our quote. Click on clear filters, click on apply. And again, we see the new product here, processing fee, but we're not going to select it. We're just going to select the premium bento box. Click select. We're going to make some mandatory choices for our bundle. Clicking on save. And as you can see, we've added the premium bento box and automatically, the processing fee was added here to our quote. So this will come in handy if you have some products that, like fees or certain products that have to automatically be added, and you want to not have the sales reps boggled down with worrying about, okay, well, when does the product need to be added? I'm not quite sure. Well, we can do that automation for them and it'll be displayed here so that they can communicate that to the customer as needed.